Okay, solve the triangle. We know these three parts, so let me draw a triangle, an oblique triangle, and I'll just label these as C, A, and B. And I know angle C is 108. I know side A, which should be across from angle A, is 10. And I know side B is across from B is 6.5. So this is a law of cosines. It's side, angle, side. So let me see that we have to solve for C. That's the way the law of cosines works. When you know side, angle, side, you got to find the side which is across from the angle that you know. So we will say C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Fill in A squared 10 squared plus 6.5 squared minus 2 times 10 times 6.5 times the cosine of 108 degrees. C squared equals, and all that goes in the calculator, 10 squared plus 6.5 squared minus 2 times 10 times 6.5 times the cosine of 108. And I'm getting 182.42. Take the square root. $13.5. Okay, so now we know the third side. We need to find either angle A or angle B. We're definitely going to have to use the fact that we know angle C and side C, because that has to be on, well, actually, no. I mean, at this point, you could use the law of cosines or the law of sines. And just for no good reason, I'm going to use the law of cosines. We switched to law of sines last time. Let's use law of cosines this time. So how about cosine of A? Cosine of A should be B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC, right? Which is B squared, 6.5 squared plus 13.5 squared minus, which is the A squared, 10 squared, divided by 2 times 6.5 times 13.5. So number crunch that. Make sure to use parentheses. .7094. So the angle A would be the cosine inverse of that, which is 44.8 degrees. And now that we know the 44.8, we can subtract from 180 to find angle B. 180 minus 108 minus 44.8, 27.2 degrees.